Okay, I told you I would make a universal 2D inelastic calculator. That's what this is. And here we go. Okay, so if you look at my previous video down below, we have, I'll link to it down below. We have two cars. So the two cars have mass MA. So let's just go MA. What is that going to be? I'll use MA. It's going to be, let's say it's 1 kilogram. MB is 2 kilograms. And then they have an initial velocity. So VA1 is going to be vector. I'm just making up some stuff here. Let's start it off with the simplest case in the X and Y direction. 1, 0, 0, and then VB1, just like in the problem before, is going to be going in the negative Y direction. So it's going to be vector 0, -2, 0. That's good. Now, we want to find the final velocity after they stick together. So I already told you what this would be. I said VA2 is equal to, I'm just typing in that equation I had before. So I'm going to say MA and A times VA1 plus MB times VB1, all of that divided by MA plus, I'm emphasizing the second letter so I know to capitalize it, VMB. That's it. So let's just do print VA2 equals VA2 meters per second. And let's run it. Boom. You see right there? So I did both the X and the Y at the same time because this is a vector. This is a vector. I'm divided by a scalar. I can do that. Python can do all these operations for you. That's it. I don't need to break it into X and Y directions. I don't need to do that. I'm not going to do that. Don't need to. Okay. Now, oh, but wait, I need to know the magnitude of that. Well, Python has a built-in function for the magnitude of a vector. It's called mag. So I could just write this, print VA2, let's write it like this, magnitude of VA2 equals mag VA2 in units of meters per second. That's the magnitude. Oh, wait, we also need the angle. Well, I can do that too. Theta equals, I already said this, it's the inverse tangent, so A tan of the y component, which is VA2.y divided by VA2.x. And now I want it in degrees, but that's fine. So let's say print angle from x-axis equals. And now I want this in degrees, that's in radians. So I'm going to say theta times 180 divided by pi degrees. There you go. Okay, now, wait. Let's see what would happen if these aren't all 0. Let's see, I'm having trouble thinking of random numbers. So now, object 1 is moving in both the x and the y direction. Object 2 is moving in both the x and y direction. Still works. Okay, what if object B is at rest? I can do that. See? This does everything for you, and I'm going to give you this program. So let's put this at -2 and 0.7. So you can change the masses. Change initial masses. Change initial velocity. And there you go. Save. I'm going to give you a link to this in the description below. You guys owe me. And I'll talk to you later.